Hello guys, today's question is the f of x is equal to mod x plus 3 plus mod x plus 6 all the way up to mod x plus 18, where x is an integer. Find the minimum value of f of x. Okay, so in this type of question we have to find the minimum value of f of x. So I have to look out for the middle term. So the middle term in this series is mod of x plus 9. How I found it? There are 7 terms here, and the middle term is the fourth term. So the fourth term is x plus 9, mod of x plus 9. So when this term is minimum, I can say the whole f of x will be minimum. So that's the catch in this particular question. That's how we do these type of questions. So to make this minimum, what's the minimum value of modulus is 0. Since mod can't take the negative values, so the minimum value of modulus is 0. So if I take this 0, I will get x is equal to minus 9. So when I put x is equal to minus 9 in this function, I will get the minimum value of f of x. So f of x is equal to mod of minus 9 plus mod of minus 9 plus 3, and likewise this, if I put minus 9 in this function, I will get the minimum value, and that is equal to 36. So 36 is my answer. So I have to just find out the middle term and make it as minimum as possible. So just look so let us look at one more question on this type of questions. So here also f of x is given this, and we have to find the minimum value of f of x. So like in the previous question, there were 7 terms, so I could easily find out the middle term, which was the fourth term. In that case, here we have the even number of terms, so there will be 2 middle terms, and those middle terms would be mod of x plus 9 plus mod of x plus 12. These two will be the middle terms. Since there are even terms, so I will get the 2 middle terms. Okay, so f of x will be minimum when the sum of these 2 middle terms will be minimum. So that's the catch in this question, as we have to do the same thing what we did in the last question. We have to just find out the middle terms first and make it minimum. Okay, so at x is equal to minus 9, and here at x is equal to minus 12, these two terms will be 0, and I have to look out for the middle values as well. So minus 10, minus 11. So I get these four values of x. So when I put these 4 values of x in this function, I will get the minimum value of this function. So no matter which value you put in the function, you will get one value, and that one value will be the minimum of this function. So you can check by yourself. If you put minus 9 in this function, if you put minus 10, or if you put minus 12 or minus 11, you will get the same answer, and that will be the minimum value. So I just discussed this question to get to realize basically that in these type of question we have to find out the middle terms and try to make those middle terms as minimum as possible. So that's it for today's question. See you guys in the next one.